Alrighty, so you're looking at checking your solutions. You want to know if you've done it correct. It's pretty straightforward. If you have an equation, let's say 2x plus 3 equals 9, and you ended up with the answer x equals 3. How do you know if it's correct? Does x equal 3 actually make both sides of this equation equal? Well, it's quite simple. We see that we have an x value here. That usually means I don't know yet. Well, guess what? Now you do. X equals 3. That's what you want to know. So what you do is you insert the number you got, your solution, in this case x equals 3, back into the equation, and you verify that it makes the statement true. Again, 2 times 3 here is 6 plus 3 equals 9. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9 equals 9. Now, is that true? In fact, it is. So that would make it so that x equals 3 is in fact the solution to our original equation. For your work, all you have to do is check if the solution given is in fact the correct x value to make the left side the same as the right side. Every x value is going to in fact be 3. Hopefully this helps. Good luck.